Can you get Venmo if you are not American? In this video, I'm going to answer the question of whether or not you can get Venmo if you are not American. I'll also discuss some of the pros and cons of using Venmo, as well as some alternative payment methods that you may want to consider. Can you get Venmo if you are not American? The answer is yes, you can get Venmo if you are not American. However, there are a few things you need to know. You must have a valid U.S. mobile phone number. You must be at least 18 years old. You must be a resident of one of the following countries: Australia, Canada, Mexico, New Zealand, Singapore, Spain, the United Kingdom, or the United States. If you meet all of these requirements, you can sign up for Venmo by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play. Pros and cons of using Venmo. Venmo is a free app that is easy to use. You can send and receive money to friends and family instantly. You can also use Venmo to pay for goods and services. Venmo is available in a number of countries. Venmo is not available in all countries. You cannot send or receive money to or from businesses. Venmo charges a fee for some transactions. Alternative payment methods. If you are not able to get Venmo, there are a number of other payment methods that you can use. Here are a few suggestions. PayPal. PayPal is a popular online payment service that is available in many countries. Cash App. Cash App is a mobile payment app that is available in the United States. Zelle. Zelle is a mobile payment app that is available in the United States. Wire transfer. Wire transfers are a traditional way to send money internationally. Whether or not you can get Venmo depends on your location and age. If you are able to get Venmo, it can be a convenient way to send and receive money. However, there are also some alternative payment methods that you may want to consider. If you have any questions about Venmo, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.